Bonneville to Hood River transmission line was originally built between 1939 and 1941 as part of Franklin D. Roosevelt's New Deal program and during the height of the electrification of America. Running from the Bonneville Dam powerhouse to Oregon's Hood River, the line has been a trusted source of power in the Pacific Northwest for more than 80 years. Sections of the line had been upgraded previously, but the aging infrastructure was in need of formal replacement. BPA commissioned the rebuild of a 22.5-mile section crossing the particularly steep, rugged, and remote terrain of the Columbia River Gorge. Crux provided foundation design and construction, ultimately installing steel cap micropile foundations for 25 steel poles and one H-frame structure. Helicopter support was heavily used for material and equipment, and crew access involved a combination of helicopter and hiking. Beyond access, project challenges included geotechnical conditions featuring talus slopes which created the potential for difficult drilling and installation. To mitigate this, Crux and BPA developed a verification testing program, installing test piles in advance of construction to confirm bonding capacities in the talus. Overall, close to 600 helicopter hours were recorded during construction, requiring increased planning and communication. Additionally, extensive fall protection was implemented along access trails and at select sites as an increased safety measure, and custom leveling platforms were also used to create flat, stable workspaces in the extreme conditions. Crux's integrated design-build approach allowed for efficient design modifications in the unpredictable conditions. This was especially valuable given the limited geotechnical information and challenging terrain, and combined with increased attention to safety, allowed for an overall successful project.